What's up guys, it's Kegan from the Kentucky Welding Institute, and today we're at Outlaw Leather's facility. Now they're going to be asking us some questions that you might have about our welding school that'll help you make an informed decision on where you want to go learn how to weld. Let's get to it.
Okay, so the first question is, what is KWI?
So the Kentucky Welding Institute is a 6-month pipe welding school, turning individuals with little to no experience into welders out in the industry, making good money for themselves, for their families. You can also use that money you make in the welding industry to provide more money for your hobbies and things that you like to do all the time.
Okay, and what's the student-teacher ratio?
The student-teacher ratio at the Kentucky Welding Institute is 15-1. Sometimes it drops down to 12-1 just because we have an influx of instructors that are coming off the road constantly and they're jumping in the mix. But we never go above 15-1.
And how many hours a day can you weld at KWI?
So at the Kentucky Welding Institute, we operate on 5 days a week for 8 hours a day. Now, if a student wants to better themselves and weld a lot more, they can just get a hold of an instructor on the second shift or the other shift and see if they have an open booth. Most of the time they do, so a student can weld 12, 10, 12, 16 hours a day if they want.
And what certifications do you offer at KWI?
So we offer 2 different sections of certifications at KWI that you can use hand in hand. So we have AWS certifications through the American Welding Society, and those are going to be from a certified welding inspector because we are an accredited testing facility. We also offer other industry certifications like OSHA, MSHA, NCCER, NCCCO, and other training like that. So we're creating awesome welders, but we're also creating welders who know how to do a lot of other things besides just weld. Because in the industry nowadays, companies don't just want a welder who only welds and drags up. They want a welder who's going to help out, weld, rig, signal, help fit, and do a lot of other things and finish the job strong.
And what housing does KWI offer?
So we offer several different types of housing, and it ranges from $2,000 to $4,000 for the full 6 months. We have individual housing, we have housing that is shared with other students, and we also have a dormitory style setup. So where students share, 4 students share a room, and then it's kind of like a college in that sense. Also, for the females out there, we have separate housing.
Are there women that attend KWI?
Yes, and it's growing every day. We have currently 3 females at KWI right now attending. My sister, she attended KWI, and she's a traveling pipe welder right now. So it's super cool to see more women get into the welding industry, and most of the time women turn out to be better welders than men just because females are more detail oriented.
And what materials can you learn to weld at KWI?
So at KWI we teach carbon and stainless. Those are very common and basic for the welding industry, but we also offer Inconel, copper nickel, chrome, duplex. We do downhill welding. We can also do Hastelloy, Monel, titanium, aluminum. So the sky's the limit at KWI with welding. We don't just offer, the typical carbon and stainless, because in the industry today, it's not enough just to weld carbon and stainless if you want to make the big bucks. So we offer all those alloys and materials as well as the AWS certifications associated with it.
And what tools does KWI provide?
So at KWI, we are a turnkey program. So you're going to come to KWI, you're going to learn how to weld and get certifications. You're going to learn how to do other things besides weld, other industry training. And then also we equip you with a 7-gallon bucket full of all the tools that you'll need to go through KWI, but also you can take those tools and go out into the industry with them as well.
Okay. And do I need to know how to weld before coming to KWI?
You don't. So we've taken people with 0 welding experience, and we've taken people with a lot of welding experience and turned them into a powerful combo welder that can go out into the industry and make really good money. So no, you don't have to know how to weld to change your career and also change your life with this kind of money that you can make in the welding industry.
And last but not least, how much is KWI?
So we have 2 other programs before the combo pipe program. It's the fabricator program and the structural program, and then it's the combo pipe program. Now 99.9% of people do the combo pipe program because it is everything included. So that program is going to be $20,000. Now, before like 2018, whenever I went to KWI, I had to take out a loan because they were not financially dual accredited. So now, as a student coming to KWI, you can get money to come to KWI through FAFSA, WIOA grants, veteran benefits, Keys money if you're Kentucky, Sally Mae. So there's tons of different ways to get scholarship money and grant money to come to the Kentucky Welding Institute. But also you can take out a loan for the schooling as well. So nowadays it's super easy to get money to come to KWI. We're just like a college in the sense where you can get funding and scholarships to come to us.
Again, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that like button as well. And if you want to stay up to date on our notifications, go ahead and click the bell button because we upload videos every week that are very helpful for welders in the welding industries.